All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP community. Shout out to you guys for showing so much love day in, day out. Cannot thank you guys enough. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with XRP. I apologize, I wasn't able to give you guys an update throughout the day because XRP did some quite interesting things, as we have been speaking in the last few updates that ended up happening. But, let's take a look at what's happening right now and, of course, what we could be expecting going into Sunday morning. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking across the board, we are seeing, some minor pullback for some of the coins, but, XRP is one of the very few coins that's still remaining in the green, up 4%. It was higher earlier, but has seen obviously kind of going down with the broader market. But big things happening. And like I said, when I pull out the charts and some of the news that I want to share with you guys will speak for itself. But if you're looking at the price of XRP, $2.52, a clear indication that it's much higher than what we've been discussing over the last few updates. So it's back above $2.52. It was able to do something very interesting, which I again will show you guys when I pull out the charts. Up 3.6% in USD, up 4.4% in Bitcoin, comparative with the market cap at $145 million and the 24-hour trading volume at about 11.8 billion. Amazing to see. But yeah, what's even more amazing to see is this right here. So of course, in the past, Citibank debanked Ripple's Brad Gerlinghouse due to crypto, and here we are, Brad Gerlinghouse saying, we flipped Citi. Ripple is competing with the liquidity of Citi and the messaging of Swift. So here we are. Citibank, before debanking, Brad Gerlinghouse's accounts, and now here we are, Ripple taking over, Citi in terms of, the market valuation. Speaks for itself, right? We're seeing history being made right in front of us. Shout out to the XRP community. Shout out to Ripple. Shout out to Brad Gerlinghouse and the team. You guys truly deserve it, especially considering how much they have gone through, guys. To think about it from our perspective, let's be in their shoes for a second. Imagine we are running a major business like this, and you're getting pretty much rejected everywhere, but you're still continuing to evolve. You're continuing to push your vision, and here we are. After all these massive hurdles that came in their way, they're here. They're thriving, and they're getting that love that they deserve, which is amazing to see. And this is why the XRP, as far as the XRP community goes, they've done the same thing. They believed in the vision of the project itself. They've stuck around, and they're really getting the flowers they deserve, for their patience that they have been able to have over the course of the last few years. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. So XRP's 4-hour net inflows heating up this Saturday morning. 17 plus million. Price has nowhere to go but up. And again, price did something quite interesting. Like I said, when I pull out the charts, things will make more sense. But yeah, look at this. I really like what Crypto Inside UK states, because of course tomorrow, which of course is going to be today, it's midnight here in North America. We have that highly anticipated interview, the 60 minutes coming up with Brad Gerlinghouse. So you can see what Crypto Inside UK says. So XRP holders, some thoughts. Brad on 60 Minutes today, this will put XRP in front of millions of boomers. Some speculate it'll be bearish, similar to Musk and Doge SNL. I personally don't believe so. I think in a bull market, especially early bull, which is where I feel we are, these things are often bullish. People also say 60 Minutes chop interviews up and spin them in a bad ways. I'm thinking it will be the end of 60 Minutes if they aren't bullish with the new pro-crypto administration coming in. Anyways, could be hope from me, but I wanted to share my thoughts as I know some are worried. Personally, I'm not. And as far as the price is concerned, the price has been reacting in a positive way leading up to the interview airing. But again, the Sell the News event could still end up taking place because, of course, people that are, expecting this interview to go live maybe are going to be locking in some profits before the day really starts or this interview gets aired up. But the momentum speaks for itself. The way XRP is holding right now speaks for itself as to how much interest there really is. And I do expect that we do see excitement in this upcoming week. Even if we were to see a Sell the News event really taking place, a minor retest, that will still be okay. I still do believe the trend is your friend, and we cannot be ignoring the trend for XRP. But moving forward, shout out to Smoke for bringing yet again a major alpha. Yes, the U.S. Federal Reserve's Fastest Payment Council has previously highlighted Ripple and XRP in a report on cross-border payments. The report specifically states Ripple's solution leverages a blockchain, with a digital asset XRP that acts as a bridge between local domestic fiat currencies. This acknowledgement emphasizes the growing role of Ripple and XRP in facilitating faster payments within a federally regulated system. Everything is starting to add up. All these puzzle pieces are starting to, kind of get connected, and that is, beyond exciting to say the least. But now let's take a look at what's happening with the price. So of course, it's not a Crypto ZX update unless I don't talk about the dominance. So the dominance is continuing to fall, fall lower, which is a really good sign for not only XRP but for the broader market. And over the course of the last 24 hours, we have seen altcoins really reacting in a positive way. But if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is ranging, around this $100,000 to $99,000 price point. This is what you want to see Bitcoin doing. Obviously, dominance is continuing to fall, which is of course nice to see. And again, altcoins are, speaking for themselves in terms of the performance. But, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, looking amazing. Of course, we're below $100,000 right now. Obviously, CME futures are closed over the weekends, but so far so good. Here, let me show it to you guys on the hourly time frame. It will make more sense. Here we are, nice consolidation. But let's take a look at XRP right now. So what did XRP do? As I stated to you guys before in the update earlier, here we are. So, XRP did end up retesting the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Here we are, pretty much for the first time since December 4th, not too long ago, just a few days back, but we did retest that, but saw a little bit of a rejection. But look at this, a nice, healthy correction after hitting a new yearly high. And here is this upwards trajectory. And I think we see something similar playing out like this. So, pretty much nice move, retracement, major move, retracement. And I think this is what will play out most likely. But what did I state to you guys before? That if we're able to clear out that $2 50-ish zone, we will be able to reclaim, the $2.44-ish zone, we will be able to get back in the 23.6 fib zone. Rejected, but the fact that we retested it is really nice to see. But you want to see that close. Very, very important to see that close. If that close happens, I think we could be heading towards the likes of that $2.70 tomorrow. That wouldn't even surprise me. And if that is able to break out, possibly a new yearly high before even Monday starts, I think that would be great to see. And honestly, that can even happen in the next few hours. So again, keep your eyes glued on XRP's price. You want to see the 23.6, as I've stated to you guys before, close. If it's able to do that, let the fireworks begin. I think we're in for a new all-time high possibly as well. But obviously tomorrow, the 60 minutes interview goes live. That can kind of have an impact. Maybe some people want to lock in profits, potentially retesting down to the likes of $2.35 to $2.35. Could that be a possibility? Yes, definitely could be a possibility. $2.35 would be a 7% drop. Again, wouldn't be coming as a surprise to me. But if it's able to close, I think we could see something very interesting playing out. So, buckle up. And speaking about buckling up, if you bought XRP around that, $2.16 price point, here you are, you did see, XRP go up 16.4%. And that is amazing to see. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Cannot thank you enough for all your support. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.